Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Show video. I had some other videos planned that I'm currently working on, but they're not exactly going along as fast as I expected them to, so I decided to do a quick little unboxing, a not really scripted type video, unboxing this brand new in-box Kyocera K10 Royale. I picked this up at a thrift store a while back. It was pretty cheap. It's not really a special phone that I was really looking for, but I mean, it's brand new in its box. I was just kind of curious about it. I'm kind of interested to check it out. Now, I don't actually know if I'll actually be able to use it because it might try to do one of those activation type things where it needs to be activated before you can turn on. I have no idea. I have never actually had a brand new phone that is this old before. And I don't know what the battery's gonna be like either. I'm hoping the battery's gonna be okay. Who knows? Batteries that have sat in the box for this long, it's really hard to say. So, as is usual with phones like this, most of the stuff that's on the box is more talking about the phone service more than the phone itself. So I don't actually really know anything about this phone. I've never used one of these. I have used a phone. I did have one that was similar to this some time ago. I think I still do have it, but it wasn't this exact one. No, it wasn't this same one. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I'd like to be able to preserve this package to store the phone in, if possible, but it looks like it is going to need to be cut. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna kind of cut all the way around it. And you did notice this box is really dusty. This has been sitting in someone's attic for a long time, just waiting to be opened. And today we're gonna be opening it. All right, I think we got it open enough to get it out. I actually did a pretty good job. It will definitely be able to go back in here, so that's good. We've got a little flap thing, and then we just got the phone in here. It's not even held down at all. It's just sitting here. Oh, so this looks like it is a color screen. So I had one of these that was similar to this. It was a similar design, but it was a black and white screen. I don't actually know when this is from. So this is from 2005. I don't actually remember. I'm gonna have to go back and see if I can find that one that I have. That's a black and white display. It must be at least a year older than this one. But yeah, I'm really interested to see the battery. I'm not sure what this many years of it being in this package will have done to it. There it is. All right, we've got the charger there. Got some books here. Are there any CDs in there? I don't think so. We've got user guide. They're trying to sell you some more accessories. Got the charger there. So we've got a start here guide. Looks like this is pretty big, unless it's several. Oh, it is big. Whoa. Okay, that's really cool. You're not gonna be able to see it here. I will put a picture of it up on the screen, but it's got this artwork thing in here, and then it's got all these startup things. It's got it in English and Spanish. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We've got terms of service. Yeah, I don't really care about that stuff. What I'm really curious about is this battery. Now, it doesn't appear to be bloated at all. I wonder if there's any charge in it still. This battery is 18 years old. Could it still have a charge? I highly doubt it, but it would be funny. Nope, it doesn't have a charge. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna hope the battery doesn't blow it up or anything. Being dormant in that box though, for that long, I would be surprised if it holds much of a charge, if any at all. Although, I don't know, maybe not getting wear will make it last longer. It's really hard to say, but I have my doubts. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go plug it into the wall. This thing definitely has a smell to it, like a phone that's been sitting in a box for however many years. All right, it did come on for a second. This cable wants to pull it away. All right, and there we go. It did turn on, although I am not very surprised about that. The only thing I am gonna be surprised about is if it actually holds charge. But we can go ahead and just check out what we've got here. If I'm not wrong, we've got the block breaker game, right? Oh, come on. Demo games? Huh. The Kyocera phone I had that was similar to this, although it had a black and white screen, it had several games included with it that weren't demos. There was like a block breaker game, that might have been it, but yeah, just demos. That's honestly a little bit disappointing. I was hoping this would have like a colored version of that game, but we've just got bowling and Bejeweled, both demos. Let's just try out Bejeweled. Man, this is really hard to see on the screen. It's so tiny. Alright, I did one. That's good enough. Let's try out ringtones. Seems like my Kyocera that I had a while ago had good ringtones. That speaker is very, very loud and sharp. I don't know if it's coming across that way, but it is so loud and sharp, and I don't even know if the volume's all the way up. No, the volume was not even all the way up. I'm not even gonna try to listen to it all the way up. Probably would damage my hearing. I'm gonna put this up to the microphone and see if you can hear it a little more clearly, to see if you can hear what I'm talking about. I could only get it so close to the microphone because of this cable, but it's just funny. I've noticed it because I remember that's exactly the same way that the Kyocera that I had a long time ago sounded. I'm assuming it's like the same speaker, just really loud, perfect for a ringtone speaker, I guess. You're never gonna miss it, but yeah, just kind of funny. Yeah, those are those awesome ringtones that I remember. So that Kyocera phone that I had, I keep going back to that, but it must have been really similar to this. I'm gonna put a picture up right now of it. If I find it, I'm gonna try to find it before I edit this video. Yeah, that was actually my grandparents' phone, and then they stopped using it. They upgraded to a different phone, and they gave it to me. I remember using that for a long time, and I'm pretty sure I do still have it. Let's see what we've got right quick in tools. I'm pretty sure there's not a whole lot special here. We do have a flashlight, but I think this flashlight wasn't very bright, if I'm remembering correctly. Let me see if I can turn off my lights here. I mean, it is usable, like in a dark room. It does light stuff up to the point where you can see it. So, I mean, it is a functioning flashlight. Anyway, one more thing I do want to check is the screensavers. It seems like there were several screensavers that these phones did have. Not really sure why I remember the screensavers, but here we go, screensaver. We've got OK Computer, which is the one that's set now. So that is OK Computer, just a bunch of colorful blocks. Not really sure how it gets that name. Next we've got Windmills, and yep, that's Windmills. I've seen a lot of those. And yeah, those are the only two screensavers we've got. I could swear the Kyocera that I had more screensavers. I don't know, this just kind of feels like a downgrade in some ways. Even though this is obviously, it's got to be newer since it's got the color screen. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. Maybe I'll put it in a comment or something, because I'm honestly curious now. This thing is bringing back a lot of nostalgia from so many years ago. I just wish it had that breakout game like mine did. I don't know why they would remove that. I guess, you know, they're switching to those demos where you could buy games, and, you know, everything was switching over to downloadable games. Then kind of stopped including real games and just started including demos with their phones. But anyway, it's been charging a little bit. I guess it's time to unplug it. I don't know if it's been long enough, but I'm kind of short on time here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug it and see what happens. Hey, it actually holds a charge. Yeah, it's only been charging for probably 5 or 10 minutes. I don't know. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, the battery still works on here. Not sure how well or how long of a charge it's gonna hold, but you know, it's basically working. And yeah, that's the Kyocera K10 Royale. I hope you did enjoy this video. I did have a lot of fun making it. I really love unboxing old new stock phones. Yeah, I'd definitely like to do more of this on the channel, and if you guys would like to see more of that, definitely let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you like tech videos like this, or you know, tech videos at all, because I do all kinds of videos on laptops, phones, PDAs, and yeah, definitely more stuff coming. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you're subscribed. And if you did like this video, let me know in the comments below. All comments, suggestions, anything you guys want to talk about, you can leave it in the comments below. Give this video a like, and yeah, thanks so much for coming along with me, guys. I really appreciate you all watching the channel. Huge thanks to everyone who subscribes. See you in the next video.